Big news coming in here. Uddhav Thackeray has now hinted at a lockdown. Uddhav Thackeray chaired a review meet on COVID situation in Maharashtra. Uddhav has hinted at a lockdown if at all people continue to violate COVID norms. Maharashtra COVID task force suggests lockdown in the state. Maharashtra reported over 35,000 cases and 166 deaths on Saturday alone. Owing to the rise in cases here, already Uddhav Thackeray had indicated a little earlier that if numbers continue to rise and if laxities are witnessed on ground, then it's inevitable a lockdown will be imposed. And here we're already getting reports coming in where Uddhav Thackeray seem to be hinting at another lockdown in Maharashtra, Mumbai particularly. Uddhav Thackeray has already shared a review meet on COVID situation in Maharashtra. Uddhav has now hinted at a lockdown if people continue to violate COVID norms. Maharashtra COVID task force now suggesting a lockdown in the state. Maharashtra has reported 35,000 cases and 166 deaths on Saturday alone. Vidya joining us more details. Vidya, over to you. Are we looking at another lockdown now? Many parts of Maharashtra we're seeing a partial lockdown. What exactly are we meaning when we say hinting at a lockdown? Does it mean a complete lockdown like it was prior?
No, actually, in fact, the Maharashtra government has made it very clear that the entire authority to put an area under a lockdown lies with the district collector, who have been given authority that in case the people are not listening, if the cases keep rising, then they can go ahead and put a lockdown in place. As yet, not many district collectors were of the opinion that a lockdown should be put in place. But yes, looking at the COVID numbers that are rising, and remember, Maharashtra is also one of the states which is also testing pretty high. The number of tests in most areas of Maharashtra are quite high, which is unlike other states, which is one of the reasons why Maharashtra government has been saying that high testing and high vaccination is the only way out, and requesting people to really listen and follow the guidelines.
Thank you very much.